Hello guys, welcome to another vlog, this time a crocheting vlog. I'm crocheting right now a triangle scarf, which is quite a bit of a trendy item to crochet right now. And I have been crocheting it for quite some time because I'm trying to develop my own pattern and not look at any videos or anything else that other people have been doing. So this is more my like fourth or fifth attempt at this point. I started with this black scarf, which generally I do like a lot, but for what I'm going for, it's just not big enough. And also I started crocheting it from the longer part, so there's no way of extending it. And also I feel like the sides aren't so neat, and it took me so long to crochet this one that after I crocheted this one, I was like, okay, let me go for something thicker and do it a little bit differently. So I did something with white mohair, looks like this. It's double crochet and not half double crochet like the other one, so this one actually went pretty fast. And when I'm showing it on the camera like this, it looks pretty big, but you can't really still tie it on your head or around yourself. So even though it's bigger than the black one, it's still not big enough for the purpose I'm making it and how I want to wear it. So my next attempt was trying to do the scarf from the thinner side and not from the longest side, so I can decide how big it can be while crocheting. And this is what I've been doing right now with this blue yarn. I restarted it a couple times because I didn't like how fast it's extending. The first one was to extending too little, the second one was too much, and right now I'm doing like a mix of extension with double crochet, but because the yarn is so thin and I'm crocheting with 4mm hook, it's still going very slow. And this is how much I have right now. So I'm still really in the beginning stages. It's really taking ages to do because of the small hook, but it looks very neat and I like how much it's extending. So I think I'm gonna continue with this one. And this is what are we gonna do. I have a secret plan that if I have enough time, I will make a matching pair of mittens as well for this, but let's see how long it will take. So I've crocheted quite a bit during the weekend. It's currently Monday, and yesterday I did a day of filming because I'm filming so much recently that I just needed one day without seeing myself non-stop on the screen. But I'm back on track right now, and I have made quite a bit of a progress. And not because it's going so fast, but because I've really been crocheting a lot during this weekend. This is where I'm at right now. It's looking good in my opinion, very neat, making some progress. I want it to be definitely bigger so I can fairly tie it under my head. So we are still gonna just continue with the work. I'm about to leave to a coffee shop, so I will crochet even more. But yesterday I went to cinema to see, if I'm saying the title correctly, Illusion Free, or the new title is Now You See Me, Now You Don't. And it was such a big of disappointment because I don't know, it's just I feel like some things should stay in 2015. Like illusion movies because right now we have AI, we have so many available apps for creative editing that literally half of the time I was thinking, oh, you can do this kind of editing illusion from the movie with 3 clicks on CapCut. So it really destroyed my perception of the movie, and it actually made me quite sad because I remember seeing Illusion 1 and 2 and I enjoyed it so much and I was in awe. I also was 15, 16 at that time, so maybe it had a little bit of common with this, but I was just so disappointed with it. But from the positive news from the movie, there was a commercial before the movie screening about an unlimited card for movies in Vienna. So I think I'm gonna go for it. My camera is moving so much. I think I'm gonna go for it because I checked yesterday the lists for it, and there is like literally 15 different independent cinemas from Vienna that are taking part in it, and you pay 22 euro for it. So basically 2 tickets per month, which I'm going anywhere, and then you can see anything. And I think it could be a good motivation for me to see also movies in German and not only in English. So I'm really considering. It's not commercial, by the way. I just saw this and I am thinking about it since then. So just sharing with you. Maybe you have something similar in your country or where you live. The one that I'm talking about is for the whole Austria. It's not only for Vienna. Cats are fighting in the background. So if you're in Austria generally, it could be a good option for you as well. I used to have something like this in Poland too, but just for one cinema, for one like branch of cinema, but it was still pretty fun to use. And I remember that I really was seeing a lot of movies and a lot of movies that I normally wouldn't see. So it can expand like what kind of movies you see and your taste in cinematography and generally and so on. So yeah, okay, enough of yapping. Let's go to a coffee shop and crochet the triangle scarf a bit more together. So I finally finished the scarf. It looks amazing. I love it. And I'm planning to actually wear it at the moment. But besides finishing the scarf, I also crocheted this little ring. So I don't have to tie the scarf at the bottom because it makes it so much smaller. But so I can just put it like this and it stays. This is the finished product. Took ages to do, but I honestly love it. I think I'm gonna redo the ring to make it a little bit bigger so it doesn't like look like this. I don't know. I'm not sure about the ring right now, but the rest I love. And right now I'm going out to find some more Christmas decoration. So let's go together. And also when I'm back, I will start on the mittens. So a bit more crocheting ahead of us. Some very quick outfits change and we're going to Belvedere to see around because today is a free day to see the museum, so let's take advantage of it. and see some art together. I'm making some progress on the gloves this morning. To be exact, this is how much we've got. It's a lot of going to and fro with this crocheting because I'm not using any pattern or any tutorial. But for now, I like how it looks like. It should be ready today because this vlog has already been going for a week. The scarf took way longer than I thought. So I'm gonna lock in and crochet more of the mittens.